Hello guys, you are welcome again to another wonderful video. In today's video, we are going to be looking at an amazing topic which says top 5 freelancing websites you can start today without any experience, all right, without having a single experience. You can start this freelancing job, and I'll also show you how you can start the platform with which you can start with this particular job. All right, so there are 5 in number. I'll be taking you through this process one after the other. All right, so first of all, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Amadine Etiosa. Yes, my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you always be notified whenever videos like this are posted. All right, so having explained that, on my YouTube channel I have amazing content ranging from how to acquire digital skills, make money online, design all kinds of websites, and run Facebook ads successfully. All right, I have all of this amazing content on my YouTube channel. All you need to do is to make sure you subscribe, and once you're done, you always be notified whenever video like this are posted. All right, so having explained all this, let's begin. Okay, so if you come over to this channel, we are looking at top 5 freelancing job you can start today with no experience. Number 1 on my list is called virtual assistant. It's called virtual assistant. The job of virtual assistant is to help business and individual manage their daily tasks like scheduling, responding to email, managing social media account, and more. All right, so this particular job we're talking about, a virtual assistant, which is often referred to as VA, is whereby you help individuals who have busy schedule to manage their schedule, respond to their emails. All right, you respond to their emails. You could work for local clients, you could also work for international clients, all right, and manage their social media account, which includes Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and as many platforms as you like them to have. All right, so all you need to do is to have a good network system. All right, for you to have all this, for you to begin this particular job, right, all you need to do is to have a good communication skill and time management. All right, these 2 skills are very, very virtual. You must have a good organizational skill, and you must be able to communicate effectively. All right, be it in writing, text, and anything. You must be able to communicate effectively. These are the things you need to be a good virtual assistant. All right, a good virtual assistant. All right, so for you to begin, you can come over to platform like Upwork, Fiverr, and other. But then I have a particular site where I'll be showing you, if you stay with me to the end of this video, where you can begin this particular thing. All right, so most of the time when it comes to freelancing job, some persons want to reinvent the wheel, whereby they want to start something that is not existing before. All right, but in internet, people are doing the same business you want to start. All right, all you need to do is to follow up their process, study their system, look at how they organize these things. All right, look at how they organize their profile. All right, so you can work on this, and before you know what's happening, you start landing your gig. Because it's very, very important for you to have this particular skill, because all this particular one we're talking about, this virtual assistant, and you don't need to have a particular experience. In as much as you can communicate effectively, you can work on your time very, very well. It's very, very important. It's very, very important. These are the things you need to be a virtual assistant. All right, these are the things you need to be a virtual assistant. All right, so as a virtual assistant, you help businesses, you help individuals manage their tasks. All right, okay, from 9 a.m. you have a meeting, 10 a.m. you have this, 12 p.m. you have this. Those are what we mean by a virtual assistant. You are helping them manage their tasks. Help them manage their task. All right, so if you go to this plan, I will be showing you these things when we are done with this, how you can get started, how you can also study other persons who are doing the same thing, all right, how they are doing it, and how you too can also begin this process. All right, so that's number 1. Number 1 is what? Virtual assistant. Number two is freelancing. Right, it's freelancing, it's freelance writing. Right, so whereby you write blog content, you write for companies, and the rest of them, you write articles, SEO articles. All right, so this is what you need. All right, so as a freelance writer, you write content for blogs, for websites, for companies who are looking for writer to create content for their article, blog post, and the rest of them. You are a freelance writer, and thank God, in this era we are in the era of what is called AI, artificial intelligence, whereby you can use AI to get good content without lacking anything to write on. All right, so you can do that and begin earning your money. All right, so as is to get started, you say you don't need a degree, all right, or writing experience to get it, or you can be a freelance writer. You can be a freelance writer if you research on topics and write clearly. Start by writing for jobs today on websites. All right, so all these things you are saying is just grammar. All right, but you need to understand that you don't need to have a degree for you to start freelance writing. You don't need to have a degree to have a freelance writing. People are writing all of this. There are so many content out there. You just need to follow all these things, study how it is done, and try to model what is already existing. All right, so that is what you do as a freelance writer. You write for blogs, you write for websites, you write for companies, articles, blog posts, website copies, and the rest of them. You have all of this content delivered to them and get paid for them. All right, there are also website you can sign up with as a freelance writer. All right, so this is number two job you can start today without having any single experience. All right, then number three is called data entry. It's called data entry. Data entry involves putting data into system or spreadsheet. This job as straightforward, require minimal training, and are available across many industries. All right, you just have to the data will be provided for you. All you need to do is to input them into system, into spreadsheet, just make them arrange those data you have been given. All right, you just need a little or minimal little training to get this thing done. All right, you don't need to be an expert before you can be a data entry personnel. All right, so you just have to be able to work effectively. All right, one thing that is very, very important when it comes to freelancing job is that you must be dedicated and you must be committed. All right, these are the things you need. You must be dedicated and you must also be what committed to your job. All right, because anything that is seen there can easily be learned on the job. As you are doing it, you are learning it on a daily basis. All right, people are doing these things who doesn't have a degree, who don't even have any of this qualification, but then because of their serious mindedness, they are doing this particular job. And I'll be showing you various platforms which you can begin today once you stay with me to the end of this video. All right, so I'll be showing you how you can begin this process, how you can begin landing your first jobs as a freelancer. All right, this is number three, sorry, data entry. Number four is called social media management. Social media management. Social media management is something that we do on a daily basis. All right, we are doing these things on a daily basis, whereby you post on your content, you post on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, as the case may be. You create content, you schedule content, you manage followers. Wherever drop your content you drop, people engage with it, you reply them, you reply your comments, you reply your messages, everything at all right. But as a social media manager, you manage businesses. Many businesses need the help of what managing their social media account. All right, if you are good with this, you can help them manage their social media account. You can manage their Facebook, their Instagram, their Twitter. When we talk about managing, simply means you are posting content. You're helping them post content, you're helping them schedule content, you're helping them engage with their followers. That is what you are doing as a social media manager. And the thing is, the content you want to post, the content you want to schedule, all right, can easily be given to you by your by AI. All right, AI can help you arrange all of this content. All you need to do, you can even schedule a post for the next 1 month, for the next 2 months, for the next 3 months. You are posting content, are dropping on a daily basis. You post today, you post tomorrow, you post next tomorrow without you being there. All right, it's very, very easy, because I have always been saying this thing in my previous video. All you need to do as this, if you are someone that is in this digital era, you need to be serious minded. You need to be serious minded. You need to be dedicated. You need to be focused, because all these things are most of you guys, you spend time on your phone. All right, how are you engaging with your phone? How are you utilizing your phones? All right, you see content that are being posted on TikTok, on Facebook, on Twitter. People are posting all of this, and they are making money from this particular content they are posting. So as for you who is not making money from your content, you can help somebody manage their content on social media and get paid in return. You can do that for businesses or for individuals. People are doing that. All right, so I will also show you how you can also begin this for yourself. All right, for yourself, you can as well begin that. All right, how you can get started. It says create a portfolio by managing social media account for local businesses. All right, so that is for social media account management. That's number four. As a freelancing job, we are going to be looking at without having skills, without having any experience or degree. That's number four, sorry. Then the last on my list, all right, number five on our list is called transcription. All right, transcription, which means involve listening to audio record, typing them, and all of that. But then this time around, there is a particular, you can see there are sites that help you transcribe all of these things. You can see sites like Rev, like Transcribe Me, like like Script, allow beginner to get started with no experience. All right, you can do all of this with no experience. Sites like this, you can see that you just need good listening skills and the file typing speed. All right, so you can type very fast, you can listen very well. All right, so that is what you need to be a good transcription. But then in this era we are in, I've always been saying we are in the era of AI. there's a good AI that can help you do this transcribing. All right, you just input the audio, they will just bring out the content for you. All right, so which you have, once you have all of this, you can apply for jobs, you can apply for gigs, helping them transcribe their 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 audio, all right, to a document. You can help them do all of those things. Transcribing says involve listening to audio record and typing them out. All right, but if you cannot do that by typing, you can just convert it, upload the audio content in the transcribing device, and it will help you bring out the text. All right, so you can see that many companies look for freelance transcriptionist to convert interviews, podcast, meeting into a written format. All right, it's a job. These are things, these are services that you can render and get paid in return. So having explained all of these skills, how then do you begin? Because I've always said that to how to get started. How then do you begin? Now, for you to begin, there's a particular site which is called Legit. The site is called Legit. I'll be showing this site now. It's called, all right, here is the site. It's called Legit. Okay, if you come over to this place, Legit, legit.com, legit.com. So if you don't have an account, you just sign up here. You can see sign up. All right, if you already have an account, you just log in. Right, there are many services you can render on this particular platform called Legit. Now you can see there's SEO, there's writing. You can see the article writing, transcription, editing and proofreading, Twitter ghostwriting, and the rest of them. You have graphic designs. You have programming. You have AI services. You can see AI services, right? You have AI services, AI charging, prompt engineering, writing, art, and the rest of them. You have internet marketing, which is called social. You can see social media marketing there, management. Sorry, you have video marketing, email marketing, Facebook ads, and the rest of them. You have videos. Right, you have videos, you have e-commerce, you have business, you have courses, you have browse. All right, so on this particular site, as you can see this particular video showing up, you can see video showing up here. You can come over to this site and register. Right, register on this platform. If you don't have an account, like I said, make sure you register. If you already have an account, log in. Once you come over to this site, depending on the services you are going to be rendering, all right, you look for that. If you are rendering a writing, you can see blog posting, you can see creative writing, you can see web writing, you can see software SEO content, you can see ghostwriting. Now, let's go with article writing. You come over to this side, article writing. Now, you can see that there are many persons who are doing this business. All right, so for you to get your gig, for you to land your first job, look at the top ranking gigs. All right, the top ranking gig, and model how they are doing it, the kind of content they created, the kind of post they have there. Now, okay, good. So now look at this. It said rank your site blog post and article writing. Now look at this particular person. You can see that. Look at what you have there. It's a simple graphic design, which this particular design you are seeing there can be done with Canva. Now look at look at the packages. $40. You have the $20. You have the what? $10. Deliver in 10 days. 1,000 SEO friendly article for your website. All right, good. You can see standard 1,500 SEO friendly article to your website. All right, you can also see this 2,000 words friendly for your website. All right, deliver in 10 days and all of that. So you can see. Oh, so if I come here now, I'll have to look at this person. Look at this person's profile very well. Look at this person's profile. Look at the profile here. It says, "Hi dear, my name is Jeda Begon. I am a professional SEO expert, and I will do everything to rank your website. If you really want to do a perfect SEO for your proven results, then you can choose me. Thanks." All right, this is it. You can see no review yet, but then this person is landing the job, is getting the job done. All right, you can see that no review yet, but you can always have that. All right, so this is what we mean by writing. This is what I mean by writing. So which also means you can also do the same thing. All right, so I also talked about social media management. Look at this one, social media management. Let's also look at this skill here. All right, it says, all right, create 100 social media profile for brand creation. All right, okay, let's look at where you have to manage. That's what I'm looking at. All right, okay, grow your Twitter profile organically, all in one SEO post. Okay, so manage. Okay, good. Look at this one now. Manage, promote your Facebook post, organic. Okay, that's Spotify. Right, so you can see this. Okay, good. Professional Facebook page setup for your business, $10. All right, which means you will create the Facebook page and you set it up, $10. All right, you can see this one says YouTube. You can see this Pinterest. You can see promote your Instagram page, Facebook profile. There are so many of them. All right, so just for the sake of time, come over to this side, just go through it, take your time and go through everything you have there. And once you do that, make sure you check the profile, how the person is, how the profile is set up, which also means you also do your own like that. All right, and get all of this thing done. Before you know what's happening, you can start landing your gig. Another platform you can also go to is LinkedIn. All right, go to LinkedIn. All right, come over to LinkedIn and create an account. Right, there are so many professionals on LinkedIn so that you can see how they are doing theirs. All right, study all of them and make sure you have your profile set up. So go to LinkedIn and also create an account on LinkedIn. Right, this is my account. Here's my account. Set up your account on LinkedIn. Set it up, organize it in such a way that it will go well. Right, you can see all of that. Right, you can see all of that. Arrange your profile very, very well. It will help you land your first gig, your first job. All right, so this video is there to help you. For those of you looking for online jobs you can do, this video is there to help you achieve that. All right, so if you enjoy this particular video and you enjoy this content, like I said, if you're having any challenge, drop in the comment section and I'll be glad to help assist you. Like this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and make sure you share this video content for the next person to benefit from it. All right, thank you guys for staying to the end and see you in my next video.